Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka arpu kendai terik mentau benai risau arajar kat kendai. Layo ban perlong ye ke lempung aji hikai, ban penteben bat ban pensempang susu, ye ki no hikai bat ki kle no penyat, ye ki jika puri beper-per haka ni ke jela. Neki principal ya ke balatep kum ke National Institute for School Heads and Teachers Holistic Advancement. Bat ya ke ni ke jelang la pelong ha auditorium jong ke St. Anthony's College Shillong. Ya ke ni ke lempung aji hikai la pre perdah ke Puan Menstem. Da Menteri Sarkar bakmi ikatnat pulih putih ke jela ubak lak kemen remboy ubak lalong kongsan ha ke jelang ringkat ke jingidon lang u principal secretary jong ke Sarkar jela bakmi ikatnat pulih putih ubak DP walang kum usembot kongsan. Kani ke lempung aji hikai ban penteben susu ye kino hikai bat ki principal kadai ke thong jong ke Sarkar pedeng ban penjana susu ye ke jing penang pestat ye ki khon jong ke India ha ki elementary level kebalawan lengba ke skim samagra shiksha jong usnam arajar kat khandai arajar arpo lengba kani ke skim labu ye ke thong ban penjana susu ya kumba sapu arlak ngot kino hikai bat ki khle no penya jong ki skol Sarkar kino hikai ba kinong trei jong ke State Councils of Educational Research and Training nangta ki District Institutes of Education and Training kumjo ye ki block resource coordinators bat ki cluster resource coordinators.
Whatever you are learning in these 5 days, 6 days, kindly take it to the field, to your respective district, to your respective subdivision, to all the training center, so that those 23,000 teachers will be, you can give the knowledge to these 23 other teachers, so that they can also teach the student. They can make a difference in the classroom. This is very, very important. I really urge upon you, the KRP, you kindly take this as a mission, that in your effort, that the education system in our state will really benefit. I know that the constraint is there, because now many schools, they will have their own exam and holiday is coming. But as I said before, if you have the will, we can do it. Let us do it. So I wish that each one of you will take all of whatever you are learning here to your own respective field. And I hope in the near future that the education system in the state will improve. With your cooperation only, we cannot do anything. We on the government, we can frame the policy, we can frame the guideline, but until and unless the teachers cooperate, until and unless the stakeholder cooperate, it is very, very difficult for us. So now, as we see this, we from the government, we have framed our own education policy, and the central government also in the process of finalizing the education policy, national education policy. And we in the state of Meghalaya also, we have formed a task force to prepare the state curriculum framework. These all are initiatives why we want to take education system forward. Especially you, the 192 person here, and the 23,000 teachers in the elementary schools. The government will not spend its effort, will not spend its money, will not spend its resources just to make anything, just for the sake of organizing this training or conceptualize this type of training. It is only because the government really want to take education forward, and we want the students who are coming out in the school really the assets to the society. And you also, as the teachers, now with so many laws, so many legal complication or implication which are there in every work place, you have also to know. I am very happy to learn that also so that the teachers in the respective school will take care and try to propagate. And also we as the teachers, we should know that well-being of the teachers. This also you could integrate it in the school education system, because the fit body, a fit mind also required a fit and healthy body.